In previous videos about cloud computing, we have talked about what is cloud computing and what are the pros and cons of cloud computing. So, as we all know that there are three main service models of cloud computing. 1. Software as a service. 2. Platform as a service. 3. Infrastructure as a service. In this video, we cover one of the main service models, and that is software as a service. We will cover the following topics in the video. Number 1. What is software as a service? Number 2. What are the examples of software as a service? And Number 3. What are the benefits of software as a service? Now, let's start with the first topic. What is software as a service? SaaS, software as a service, is a model of delivering software applications over the internet on a subscription basis without needing installation, maintenance, or management of hardware, infrastructure, or application software. From the perspective of cloud computing, SaaS is one of the three main service models, along with IaaS, infrastructure as a service, and PaaS, platform as a service. SaaS leverages the scalability, reliability, and accessibility of cloud computing to offer customers a convenient, cost-effective way to access software applications and services. Now let's see a few examples of SaaS. Here are some examples of popular SaaS applications. 1. Salesforce for customer relationship management. 2. G Suite for productivity and collaboration. 3. Dropbox for file storage and sharing. 4. Slack for team communication. 5. Zoom for video conferencing. 6. HubSpot for marketing automation. 7. QuickBooks for accounting. 8. Shopify for e-commerce. 9. SurveyMonkey for survey management. 10. Microsoft 365 for office productivity. And now, let's move on to the final topic of this video, and which is: what are the benefits of SaaS? There are several benefits of using SaaS, software as a service, for businesses. 1. Accessibility. SaaS applications can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, making it easy for employees to work from anywhere. 2. Cost-effective. SaaS eliminates the need for businesses to invest in expensive hardware and software, as the vendor takes care of maintenance and upgrades. 3. Scalability. SaaS applications can easily scale to accommodate changes in business size and needs. 4. Improved collaboration. SaaS applications often provide real-time collaboration features, making it easier for teams to work together effectively. 5. Quick implementation. SaaS solutions can be up and running quickly, without the need for extensive setup and configuration. Regular upgrades. SaaS vendors provide regular upgrades to the software, ensuring that customers always have access to the latest features and security updates. 6. Reduced IT burden. By outsourcing software management to a SaaS vendor, businesses can reduce their IT burden and focus on core operations. So in this video, we have learned about one of the cloud computing service models, which is software as a service. In the next video, we will be covering another service model, which is platform as a service, PaaS. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.